see the eyes. How's the eyes of the baby now? How is the eyes of the baby? Oh, better na, no? Your eyes is better now. I'll feed you again tomorrow, okay? I got time to feed again my baby tomorrow. Ano, baby? Ah. What are you doing? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Baby? Bye-bye. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye na, baby. Bye-bye na. Magaling na ang mata ang baby. Oh. Okay. Okay. I give you more medicine para gagaling na ang baby. Ano? Come, bye-bye. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Oh, that's the eyes. Oh, magaling na nga. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, baby. Okay. Okay. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. Galing na ang mata. Galing na ang mata, no. Bye-bye. See you again. Bye-bye po. Bye-bye po, baby. Magaling na ang mata ng baby ni mommy. Galing na, no? Okay? See you again, ha? Be a good boy and be a good girl. Okay. Bye-bye. 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 I know you want to say thank you. You're welcome. Bye-bye, baby. See you. See you. See you. There's another one over there. There's Poppy. She's already resting. And there's sweet couple there. Okay.